Guys, today I am going to teaching you how to add a server. So first of all, click this button, this one, name it or IP address. I will name it first gonna do if you want some high school server. Oh no, I don't think this works because I see it in the number. So the password, the IP is arcraft.lee.cc. There you go. Next, the number 41960. Add server. I think let's see if this works. Oh god, it doesn't work. Oh yeah. Oh, I will. Let's see if this works. It's from Philippines. Oh, it doesn't work. Oh yeah. So let's exit out. Let's name it. This from USA. There you go. IP address. A 41092. 41092. I think this is the high school play. That LEAT. That C. So the port is 41092. You go. Let's see if this works. I think this works. Yeah, there's works. It's a high school role play. There you go, high school role play. Oh my god, I don't have any password. High school role play. So let's quit it. Let's click the title. Next is the lifeboat. SG that will be SG that name. Oh my god, I forgot it. Oh wait. Oh yes. This is from USA. The port is the same number 19132. Yeah, then let's see if this works. It's loading. Yeah, it works. The lifeboat is the next is this from Philippines again. Pinoy Ako MCP dot top. Yeah, that's from PHI Philippines. See if this works. I think it doesn't. No, this is from Kidzone. Kidzone.ca. 932 is from USA. There you go. Let's see if the effective works. Oh, it works, the Philippine one. Let's see what is this. Whoa. Whoa, what's this? Where are we? Oh, there's a Philippine flag there. Okay, let's quit because it's lag. Next, after. Oh, I close. Wait, guys, I will be right back. That's where it helps you. So, guys, I think that's where this video. Make sure you put a big thumbs up and you like it. So guys, thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe. Goodbye.